All right, for the Florida sportsman fishermen out there who thought they were familiar with Hells Bay, they need to check out this newly redesigned Marquesas. It is beautiful. I'm here with Scott Peterson with Hells Bay. He'll tell us more about the innovations and the changes they've made to this boat that a lot of people are familiar with, but you know, now it's a little bit different.
Yeah, we completely reintroduced this boat here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. One of the main features we did is the old Marquesa, the engine was further up inside the boat, the transom, and had what we called sponsons on the back of it. We've completely eliminated that and moved the engine further back now. That allows you to spin the boat a little faster when you're chasing those wily tarpon or snook out there, and particularly permit. Makes it a little more polable. The Marquesa was always our flagship, and really a lot of people know a lot about the Marquesa, and it was really the gold standard for a V-bottom, heavy water, flat skip. So I think it was kind of a gutsy move for us to go out and then completely redesign, which was really our best-selling boat, one of our most versatile boats as well. But what we did on this boat also, we completely redid the whole deck on this. We added 4 inches all the way, 2 inches all the way around the boat, giving you 4 inches more width. But it also gives another place for the spray to catch, and also creates, as you're running, it's another place for kind of the wind to kind of blow out, and that takes some of that smaller mist that isn't maybe caught by the initial spray chine or knocked down by some of the other features further down to keep it dry. You know, it's got a 12 to 13 degree variable dead rise in the boat, so it is a V-hull boat that really handles rough water very well. One of the things we've done with the Marquesa is we went and made all the hatches open from the front to the back instead of sideways, so that when you do open it, you know, most people using the boat and starting off their day with it on a trailer, and this makes it a lot easier to be able to get stuff in and out of your back hatches, and locate your tackle boxes and prepare for the day. All the Hells Bay boats are custom made, so one of the best places to look for information on us is at www.hellsbayboatworks.com, or just Google us on the web and under Hells Bay, and you'll find us, and you can find out about all the options in the way we build boats.